Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer Architecture Explained. Part 2. Encoding, Decoding, and Building AI Brains. Remember how in Part 1 we talked about attention, how an AI learns to focus on important words? Well, today we're putting those attention skills to work. Think of a transformer as having two main parts, like two brilliant halves of an AI brain. An asterisk encoder asterisk that understands what you say, and a asterisk decoder asterisk that figures out how to respond. We'll see how these two work together to make AI truly intelligent. Imagine the encoder as a super smart student reading a complex book. Its job is to read your input, a sentence, a question, a code snippet, etc., and deeply understand every part of it, capturing all the nuances and relationships between words. It doesn't just memorize, it processes and creates a rich, numerical summary or representation of the entire input. This summary is what the decoder will later use to generate a response. The encoder isn't just one big block. It's made of several identical encoder blocks stacked on top of each other. Each block contains two main ingredients. 1. Self-attention. From part 1, this is where the encoder truly reads and understands how words relate to each other within the input sentence. E.g., she refers to the girl. 2. Feed-forward network. Asterisk after attention. This is like the encoder's internal thinking process, further refining its understanding and extracting more complex features from the input. It's like the student reflecting deeply on their notes. Now, meet the decoder. If the encoder is the student who understands, the decoder is the creative writer who generates a response, translation, or completion, word by word. Its job is to take the encoder's deep understanding and turn it into coherent, relevant output. It's like the writer crafting a story based on the student's summary. Crucially, the decoder generates text, which means it has to be careful not to cheat by looking at words it hasn't generated yet. The decoder also has stacked decoder blocks, but they're a bit different. The first main ingredient is asterisk mask self-attention. This is similar to the encoder's self-attention, but with a twist. The mask, when the decoder is trying to figure out the next word, it's only allowed to look at the words it has already generated. It's like a writer working on a sentence, only seeing the words they've written so far, not the words they're about to write. This prevents the AI from peeking into the future and ensures it generates text step by step. This is where the magic really happens and the two halves of the brain connect. After its own mask self-attention, the decoder has a special layer called asterisk encoder-decoder attention, sometimes called cross-attention. Here, the decoder looks at asterisk its own understanding of what it has generated so far, and also looks back at the encoder's deep understanding of the asterisk original input. It's like the creative writer constantly referring back to the student's summary to make sure their story stays on topic and makes sense. This layer is the crucial link that allows the AI to generate relevant responses. So, let's trace the journey. 1. Your input, e.g., translate this sentence, goes into the asterisk encoder. 2. The encoder processes it through its self-attention and feed-forward layers, creating a rich understanding. 3. This understanding is passed to the asterisk decoder. 4. The decoder starts generating output, one word at a time, using its mask self-attention, looking at what it's already written, and its encoder-decoder attention, looking back at the encoder's understanding. 5. It continues until it produces a complete, coherent response. E.g., this sentence translates to. This sequential process allows for truly dynamic and intelligent responses. This intricate dance between encoding understanding and decoding generation is why transformers are so powerful. They can learn complex relationships, understand context, and generate creative, human-like text. From language translation to chatbots like ChatGPT, and even generating code or images. Transformers are the fundamental AI brains behind many of the incredible AI applications we see today. As developers, understanding this architecture is key to building the next generation of intelligent systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.